Keep up the good work. Boss, we're in. All right, we gotta get a construction vehicle and start ripping apart. All right, everyone, get out of the way. Get out of the way. We gotta let the machine do this job. Out of the way. Oh wow, we're definitely digging this up. All right, you guys with a shovel and pickaxes, get inside the hole. Start digging some more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, boss. We're doing that right now. Come on. Okay, boss. I want you guys in the hole. Everyone, get in the hole and start digging some more. Okay, boss. We're doing that right now, boss.